And good morning, folks. Welcome back to another fishing videos, fishing with James Powell. I'm over here at Johnson's Beach. We're gonna do a little bit of surf fishing today. Conditions, they are amazing, as you can see. It's nice and calm, water's nice and clear. So we have pretty good conditions today. So we're gonna see what we run into. We're trying to target some whiting, some pompanos, and well, mainly whatever it bites the hook. We'll see what we get into. Stay tuned. And we're hooked up, bud. First fish of the day. I think we got us into a black drum here. He's taking drag, boys. Yeah, I think we got us a big ugly. He got some head shake. There he goes. There he goes. Oh boy. Boy, he's taking drags. Man, he almost trying to get tangled up with my other lines. Trying to walk him down the beach, getting some line on him. Yeah. See if we can be my personal best today, boys. See if we can do it. Let's see if we can do it. Oh boys, we got us a redfish. We got us a nice redfish, guys. Aí, Mickey. Oh no, it's a black drum, guys. Yeah, big old black drum. Nice little black drum, big ugly. He's 35 inches. Close to about 35 pounds. It was a good one. Well, there you have it, guys. There's a nice black drum. He gave a good fight, man. It's always fun to catch those black drums. They fight good. And like I said, guys, it wasn't my PB, but it was still a good fight. It was close enough. It was 35 inches. And yeah, man, that was some good stuff. Hopefully we run into some more. We'll see. Stay tuned.